Welcome back to Morning Markets on Wednesday, the 6th of December. The moderation in government bond yields continued yesterday. The yield on a US 10-year government bond moderated to a 3-month low of 4.17%, down from its October peak of 5%. Number of aspects which are driving this move in the bond market. Stay tuned and we'll discuss the key detail. The first aspect was job openings, advertisements to you and me. These fell by 617,000 in October to 8.7 million. The expectation was for a reading of 9.3 million. So job adverts have been lower than what was expected. We're also seeing resignations down and quit rates are stable. So there's less mobility in terms of the US labour market, which for employers is a positive. It's actually reducing the pressure in terms of wage growth and pay competition, which they're having to apply. When we couple this with last week's inflation data, which demonstrated headline inflation year over year falling to 3.2% from 3.7%, and the core reading falling to 4% from 4.1%, markets have become more confident that the Federal Reserve have raised interest rates to a level which is high enough in this cycle to bring inflation to the 2% target in 2024. And whilst the labour market is softening, it's still coming from a very strong position. If we look at the number of job openings or adverts available for every unemployed worker in the US, there's still 1.34 jobs available. The employment data which we'll receive on Friday will also be informative in building this picture on the health of the US labour market. So softening, but from a very strong position initially. Meanwhile, if we look at the outlook of supply chain managers in the service sector, we can turn to the PMI data, Purchasing Managers Index, which was reported yesterday. This was at 52.7 in November from 51.8. Anything above 50 is demonstrating expansion. So it's demonstrating an improvement in the sentiment of the supply chain managers in that sector. The sector in question here being services. New orders remain strong. We're seeing cost inflation, which is moderating, and business activity in general is improving for that part of the economy. Stay tuned with us tomorrow for a further update here on Morning Markets. As I say, the data on Friday regarding the employment sector will provide a fuller picture of the health of the US labour market. Thank you for watching.